How you feel?
Daddy, I'm sugar dad. I'm your sugar daddy.
So, hotshot, you want to fight Majin Buu?
Fight you? No, I want to kill you.
He's right there, so we're at Chevron. He's about to give me a slushy. Bro, I can't freaking breathe. My nigga killed me, bro. Hey, so how do you feel?
Here, nigga.
My nigga, you ass, bro. You ass, bro. Come on, dog. How you lose 3-0, bro? My nigga ass, bro. Hey, do you fear Allah? How many games you lost? One game. Nigga ass. Booty ass nigga. Make sure to like, comment. Hey, finish this. And say what? Finish it. You gotta say it, bro. And?
Really, nigga?
Make sure to like, comment, what? Finish it, bro. Say subscribe. This guy, bro. My boy lost. He wants to give me a small cup, bro.
Yeah.
That's messed up. No. I said any size, bro.
Life is not fair.
Bro, I said any size, bro.
Life's not fair, bro.
Are you serious? That's kind of cold, bro.
What flavor you want, buddy?
That's kind of.
You want Tigers blood or Georgia? What are you feeling, kid?
That's messed up. Let me get my size.
What flavor are you feeling? No,
Get my size.
no.
Bro, he's complaining about $3, bro.
Yeah. Put it back.
Are you serious?
Put it back, bro.
Okay, you guys should like, comment, subscribe.
Nope.
No, I'll get the small one. Make sure like, say it. Or I get this.
All right.
Go. Say it, bro.
Make sure to like, comment, and subscribe.
And hit the bell.
Hit the bell for the notifications.
Who's daddy?
I'm not doing that. Come on now. Whatever you want, kid.
How you feel?
Daddy, I'm sugar dad. I'm your sugar daddy.
My nigga's putting gas too, bro. And he asked for Allah. He said 20, so it's 20. Bro, I got a freaking slushy, and he's putting me gas. That's the second bet he lost. How you feel?
Daddy, I'm sugar dad. I'm your sugar daddy.
My nigga.
Let's see.
Yeah, I'm your daddy, bro. How does it feel, though, bro? Bro, I look so ugly, and I'm happy about that.
No cap. No cap.
I love my son. How you feel?
Daddy, I'm sugar dad. I'm your sugar daddy. Nah, I'm your dad, bro.
Hey, call me tomorrow if you need a ride to school.
You know that.
Call me if you need a ride to go to school, bro. I'll pick you up. Daddy will pick you up. Alright, y'all. Make sure to like, comment, subscribe. Whoa. Make sure to like, comment, subscribe, and see you next time. Alright, y'all. So I haven't said this before, but yes, I'm married, and yes, I have a son. He's from Somalia. Mogadishu! People wanted to know.
Hey, why are you licking your lips like that? What's the point of that? Why are you licking your lips?
Hey, I'm from.
Why are you licking your lips?
I'm from planet Earth. Where are you from?
No, but why you lick? No, who licks their lips like that?
Niggas.
Hey guys. Like, bro, you making love to yourself? Nasty as hell.
Yeah,
Weirdo,
you, bro.
Now you weird. Hey, get off of me, man.
Bro, how do hood niggas fight, bro?
Oh!
Whoa, nigga, look what you doing, bro? Back up, bro. The fuck? And make sure to like, comment, subscribe, and we're out of here.
Get your hands off of me, man.
All right! Okay, what do you say we wrap this up?